Tired of being stuck with Windows or mobile to get your Call of Duty Mobile fix? In this video, we're breaking down how to get Call of Duty Mobile running on your Linux Mint machine, opening up a whole new world of gaming possibilities. First, we need to install a program that allows us to run Android apps on our computer. We're going to be using an Android emulator. Start by opening the software manager in Linux Mint. Next, use the search bar in the software manager to look for our emulator. You're searching for an Android emulator. Select the emulator from the search results and click the install button. Once the emulator is finished installing, open the emulator from your applications menu. Now, it's time to get Call of Duty Mobile. Inside the emulator, you'll find the Google Play Store. Just like on your phone, sign in with your Google account to access the Play Store. Search for Call of Duty Mobile and install the game. Once it's finished, you'll have the option to open the game and log into your account. After you've accepted the terms and conditions and finished the tutorial, you're good to go. You should now be playing Call of Duty Mobile on your Linux Mint OS. While this setup works, there might be occasional performance differences compared to running the game on a dedicated mobile. Be sure to adjust your emulator settings and graphics to optimize your experience, and that's it. Enjoy dominating the battlefield on your Linux Mint setup.